Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening Settings and moving straight to Language and Input. This is where keyboard behavior lives. Tap System and Updates, then Language and Input so you can manage keyboards. Once there, choose Virtual Keyboard to see the list of installed keyboards, Huawei's default and any third-party keyboards. You're taking the first actionable step to reach the keyboard settings that control autocorrect. Make sure the keyboard you use daily is visible in the list before you proceed. Next, tap the keyboard you actually use, for example Huawei Swipe or Gboard, because each keyboard stores its own autocorrect setting. Once inside, open Text Correction or Smart Typing. Labels vary, but you're looking for autocorrect, auto-replace, or predictive text. Toggle autocorrect off. If there are multiple predictive features, switch those off too. You do this to stop the keyboard from changing what you type and to keep suggested words only, not automatic replacements. After changing settings, test by typing in messages or notes to confirm autocorrect no longer alters words. That verifies success. If autocorrect persists, make sure no other keyboard is active. Disable or uninstall alternates, then restart the phone to apply changes. If issues continue, clear the keyboard app cache or update the keyboard via the App Gallery or Play Store. Corrupted data or outdated builds can reintroduce unwanted behavior. That single troubleshooting step usually fixes lingering problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.